Away from River State, the Senate has taken steps to restore the Aniocha North 2 state constituency in Delta State. This follows a Supreme Court ruling affirming the constituency's legitimacy, a decision that has yet to be implemented years after it was issued. National Assembly correspondent TVC has details.
Senator Ned Nwoko is rallying the support of his colleagues over a matter that has seemingly defined constitutional processes, one that has left the people of Aniocha North 2 without representation despite a Supreme Court judgment in their favor. The battle for the constituency's restoration began in 2014 when residents of several communities in Aniocha North local government area approached the Federal High Court in Asaba seeking legal recognition of their state constituency. The case got to the Court of Appeal, which ruled in favor of the people in 2017. However, INEC challenged the ruling at the Supreme Court, which ultimately upheld the decision in 2019, making it legally binding and final. But despite this, INEC is yet to effect the verdict of the court.
Despite INEC having concluded all processes for the restoration of the constituency and reminding the National Assembly of the matter through a court letter dated 17 December 2020, further action has not been taken to facilitate the restoration of the constituency, and disturbed that the delay in implementing the Supreme Court judgment undermines the rule of law.
The Senate is disturbed by the prolonged delay and has now decided to wade in.
I do not think that the Supreme Court, if it is true that they have so concluded that it will be up to Parliament to amend. This does not require constitutional amendment.
There's a pronouncement by the Supreme Court that this should be done. And once you have that done, you know that as a lawyer, that must be implemented.
Management of the Senate to get in touch with INEC immediately and to plead with you to also take it up with your colleagues in the House of Representatives so that there will be concurrence to these prayers. And thereafter, the National Assembly will write to INEC to comply with the Supreme Court decision.
This development raises critical questions about the enforcement of court rulings in Nigeria. The question that is left unanswered is, will INEC act on the Supreme Court's judgment? And how soon will the people of Aniocha North get the representation they have fought for? Hopefully, with the intervention of the Senate, answers will be provided soon. TVC News.